Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. If you're here for the first time, thanks for being here. My name is Valerie and we are doing another doable DIY home decor project. Yeah, we know we can't finish decorating our living rooms or bedrooms or sometimes even our dining rooms without some cushions, right? And so I want to show you an easy way to add some decorative element, decorative element to your pillows when you have an otherwise plain fabric without having to put trims on it, right? So I'm going to be doing a pillow with a zipper, and I have already cut my panel. I can link the video for you that shows you how to cut your panels for your pillow, and I've already also pressed it out because it's best to work with your fabric without too much crease, right? And so I'm going to get started. By the way, I am going to be using red thread. So what I'm doing here, it can add another element. Oh, a piece of thread that's just stuck to my hand. It can add another element for you if you use a contrasting thread, right? And so I'm gonna get started with my first panel. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and I'm gonna fold my panel just like so. By the way, I'm working with panels that are 24 by 24 inches, right? And so let's do this. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put a crease in here. Now I'm gonna be stitching on the right side of the fabric. So this is my right side. A couple of pins in, maybe not a couple, 3 pins. A couple is 2, right? I'm going to take this to my sewing machine and I am going to stitch along where I just pressed. I'm just going to open this up. And I am gonna turn just across, just like so. And I'm gonna stick a couple of pins in. But it makes it easier when I press it because it creates that seam. So I'll go ahead and press. And you guess it, I am taking it back to the sewing machine and I am gonna stitch. I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna fold it just like so, making sure that I am in the middle of where the X crosses. Okay, pin, 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 pin. So we are getting ready to insert the zipper. I have a video that shows you how to insert a zipper, so I will link that video for you. Here's our pillow, friends. I didn't have a pillow form for it, so I actually just borrowed a pillow from off my couch to put in there so I can show you how it looks. I am liking it. And this is just to show you that you don't have to have trim to decorate your throw pillows. You can use surface talks to make designs, and I did a different one on the back just so you can see a different way that you can use these surface ducks to decorate your pillow. And then I finished it off with a little rosette, which I made from leftover trim. That's another thing I want to do with you guys. I want to show you different types of trims and how you can use them to decorate not only your pillows but also your bed runners, table runners, window curtains, blinds. Yeah, I have so much that I want to be sharing with you guys. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscription button, and remember to turn on the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. Drop it in the comments and let me know what you think about this pillow. It's taking a twirl for you guys. Also, like and share. I will see you in the next video.